Good morning everyone, my name is Karthik Sangar.
Good morning everyone, my name is Dhapa.
Good morning everyone, my name is Dilip Singh and we are from Kukreja Institute and today we are making Milet Almond Cashew cookies.
Namaskar, I am Manish Paul from Kukreja Institute and I will be mentoring my student to prepare this millet cookies.
So in this recipe we are using pearl millet flour, refined flour, cashew, almonds, eggs, baking powder and castor sugar.
And we are also using 200 grams of butter. The first step is we'll cream butter and sugar.
We can use jaggery powder instead of sugar.
Now it has raised a bit and it has a creamy texture in it.
Now we will add egg one by one.
Now it has gained a frothy texture. Now we are adding a baking powder in the flour. Now we add refined flour. Now we will sieve together.
Now we'll add our this sieved flour into the cream butter sugar mixture
And we will make a dough of it. We just have to combine it together. Now we can see our dough is ready and we will keep this in the fridge for minimum of 1 hour.
Now the dough is ready.
Now what we have to do is we can make small balls from it.
Now we'll combine our both of dry fruits like cashews and almonds together. And we'll roll our cookies balls in this so that these nuts could get stick on it. Now we'll give them a shape of a cookie like this and we'll make sure that our cookies are of same size, and as you can see the nuts are getting stuck on it very nicely. Now we'll place them in a baking tray. Now we'll keep our cookies in the oven for baking at the temperature of 180 degrees Celsius for time of 20 to 25 minutes.
Now after 25 minutes, we are removing it from the oven. They are baked nicely and evenly. Now we can arrange it on a platter. Looks very yummy. Now these are our pearl millet and cashew and almond cookies.